Making sure that water is safe and clean in the smaller communities throughout Louisiana is the mission of the Louisiana Rural Water Association. Louisiana Rural Water Association is a nonprofit organization established in 1978 to protect the public's health by ensuring safe drinking water. The LRWA accomplishes this by working directly with small water and wastewater systems of Louisiana, providing training, on-site technical assistance, and state operator certification in compliance with federal and state rules, regulations, and standards. LRWA, through the Safe Drinking Water Program, provides hands-on assistance to the employees, operators, and managers of small towns and rural water and wastewater systems, helping them understand the rules and regulations of their operations. LRWA has a proven track record of providing the highest quality training, technical assistance, and information, as well as products and services necessary for promoting public health and environmental protection.
Hi, I'm Pat Crater, Executive Director of the Louisiana Rural Water Association. We began an association with the National Rural Water Association with funding from the Environmental Protection Agency and the United States Department of Agriculture. On the state side, we have contracts with the State Department of Health and Department of Environmental Quality.
Technical assistance is a key ingredient in LRWA's effort to improve the quality of utility services in rural Louisiana. More than 2,700 water and wastewater systems benefit from this assistance each year. Our dedicated group of professional technical assistance providers makes over 7,700 on-site visits annually. They assist systems with their efforts to comply with complex regulations and to protect the public's health.
We provide recertification training to operators for water and wastewater systems throughout the state, free of charge through that grant contract with US EPA. We also provide certification training to get these water and wastewater operators licensed with our Department of Health and Hospitals, which is the promise agency here in Louisiana.
LRWA also provides assistance by telephone through on-site technical assistance and classroom instruction training. We have numerous programs in place to provide this assistance through qualified field technicians in each program.
The USDA Circuit Rider program is a program to provide technical assistance and training to water system operators, decision makers throughout the United States. Our primary goal is to aid water systems as they try to comply with the ever-increasing Safe Drinking Water Act amendments. And as new amendments come down, there's more compliance that the water system personnel has to adhere to, and we provide the training both on-site and in the classroom and to technical assistance on-site to help water system operators and decision makers understand the new regulations and to comply with it.
LRWA's Energy Conservation Program was implemented in 1991 and helps utilities conserve water, electrical power, chemicals, and wear and tear on pumps and motors, as well as man-hours. This program has saved over 170 utilities $3.5 million in 1 year. This savings was realized as a result of LRWA providing these services free of charge, allowing the utilities to save money.
This program helps them with water leak detection. Our staff goes out there with leak detection equipment and utilizes it throughout the system looking for small and large leaks. In the United States, the water loss percentage is approximately 15%. In the state of Louisiana, that is probably around 30 to 32%. So you can see the need for water leak detection. We also do sewer infiltration surveys. This allows us to blow smoke into the sewer systems, and wherever the smoke comes up through the ground, you know there's a break in the collection system. It's then up to the utilities to make the repairs. This slows down the rainwater mixing with the sewer water at the wastewater plant and helps lower electrical power. We also in this program are able to pull water meters. Many times the water meters that are in the ground are in the ground for 20 to 30 years, and sometimes they get inefficient. So we're able to pull them out, checking to make sure that the amount of water that is going through the meters are correct. Also allows the customers to know that they're paying the correct price for the amount of water that's received. Also, we also have a sewer video camera that we're able to put in the sewer systems and that travels 300 feet at a time to look for large breaks in the sewer collection system. This allows a utility or the highway department to come and make one small break in one spot instead of tearing up the entire roadway to locate the leaks.
Hi, I'm Senator Mary Landrieu, and I want to take just a moment to highlight the great work of the Louisiana Rural Water Association and to thank you all for what you're doing. Our association has provided our state with tremendous service and dedication for over 30 years. The goals of the organization through the Safe Drinking Water Program are to protect public health by ensuring the provisions of safe drinking water in compliance with all rules, regulations, and standards. So for 3 decades now, the Rural Water Association has built a proven track record of providing high-quality training and technical assistance and services to many of our rural communities in Louisiana. This includes training for over 4,000 operators each year. In addition, Louisiana will always remember, never forget, the great work of the association following Hurricanes Katrina, Rita, Gustav, and Ike. We've had our share of floods and storms that's affected not just major metropolitan areas, but small rural communities as well. The organization provided outstanding leadership by distributing much-needed generators, manpower, and womanpower, technical and on-site assistance to those affected by these hurricanes and storms by setting up mobile command units. All of us in Louisiana are very grateful to the work that you're doing and the new work that lies ahead. So thank you all for your continued help and assistance in continuing to make our rural communities as strong and as vibrant, as healthy, and as safe as can be.
We take it for granted that our drinking water will always be there, but recent hurricanes in Louisiana have presented some real challenges.
Well, right now it looks like about 2 or 3 hours the northwestern eye wall of the circulation will make its closest approach to southeastern New Orleans. Right now it's making landfall near Port Sulphur, Louisiana, and extreme southeastern portions there. You see the eye, and moving straight north. So we expect it to miss New Orleans to the east just slightly, but the western eye wall could catch southeastern portions of the city of New Orleans. Either way, they're going to have very strong winds, well over hurricane force. Power outages will be widespread. Down in here, signs down. Significant damage to structures is probably occurring. It'll come up to the north and make a second landfall in Mississippi.
We took the initiative, along with the Department of Health, to set up a command center in Livingston Parish. The president of Livingston Parish allowed us to use that facility there. We moved in trailers. We set up campsites. Before you know it, not just LRWA staff was there. We had almost 200 people arrive there. EPA showed up, Department of Health showed up, DEQ showed up, not to mention the state associations that came in to help us: Arkansas, Oklahoma, New York Rural Water, Pennsylvania Rural Water, Georgia, Mississippi. They all came in here to help Louisiana Rural Water Association provide the assistance that was needed. We were also able to get the EPA to bring in a BAC-T lab. So when we got water systems hooked up again, most of the labs in the state were broken or tore down. We were able to use this site to get the approval from EPA that the water was good to drink. We traveled and tell these systems that they could open up and start selling water again.